Arturo Mio, Pondok Abang, the best lah. Managed to get all my beef rendang and sambal goreng pengantin just before Hari Raya. So Arturo Mio, and to all our blessed customers, we wish to thank you for your support throughout Ramadan, throughout this Shawwal, and throughout the year. Okay guys, Alhamdulillah this year we managed to stockpile as much as possible to ensure that we have sufficient stock. So every single year we will add on a buffer, additional buffer, and ensure that everyone is able to grab as much as possible what they need and they require for us. And here at our 374 Bukit Batok Street 310114, our frozen mart, we also try to stock up as much as possible. Okay guys, maybe at times when you drop by, the thing is out of stock, but don't worry, we will restock it. Okay guys, we'll make sure that every single time that it is out of stock, we try to restock it as fast as possible. Okay, if you drop by and the thing is out of stock, you can always speak to our guys and ladies here who will be gladly be able to serve you. Okay, we have like one example. I was personally here, one makcik dropped by. She die want to buy our strip loin beef rendang, but unfortunately when she dropped by, it was out of stock. So she told us, okay, never mind, I'll make the payment now. Can you make sure that tomorrow when I come by, I can collect it? So I told makcik, for you makcik, I'll make sure that that happens. So she made the payment, we pass her the receipt. The next day she dropped by our frozen mart, we pass her the strip loin beef rendang. Okay guys, so this is just one example. We will try our best to do this for everyone and make sure that everyone is able to enjoy our authentic Malay food made traditionally. Thank you and Assalamualaikum. The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.